Okay, let's continue with the second part to configure the region table. Yeah. In this task, you will configure the region table with a hierarchy and updated categories. Yeah, in the region table. Okay, so I will collapse the product, then expand the region, and then create a hierarchy, name regions with the following three level: group, country, region. Okay, so let's open the group first. Yeah, so group. After that, right click, create hierarchy. Okay, so now you have the group hierarchy. Yeah, and then the first level is a group. Yeah, okay. Then using this on the properties, you're going to add the country and region. Yeah, select the country and then region. Okay, don't forget to apply level changes. Yeah, okay. So group hierarchy, group, country, region. Okay, and then in the here select the country column, not the country hierarchy level. Yeah, okay, here you're going to configure as the country name. Yeah, in the properties pane, expand the advanced. Okay, so here you scroll down, then click the advanced. After that, in the sort by column is a country by default, and then data category is a country. So this is useful for later when you want to show this in a map. Yeah. So we tell that this is the name of the country can be associated with the name of the country in the word as in the map. Yeah. Okay. So done this one. Okay. Then configure the reseller table. Okay. So I collapse this and then expand the reseller. You're going to create a hierarchy. Yeah. Business type and reseller. Okay. So create business type. Right click. After that, create hierarchy. After that, expand. Yeah. In the this hierarchy, you're going to add the reseller. Oops, sorry, not reseller key. Reseller, like this. Yeah. Don't worry if you make mistake, just click cross to delete. Okay, then create second hierarchy name geography. Yeah, with the following four level. Okay, so country region. You see the top level, then you make the hierarchy from there. Yeah, country region. Right click, create hierarchy. Then after that, in the hierarchy, then you add the column. State province. Yeah, add the level state province, and then add again the city, and then one more is the reseller. Okay, so this four level. Yeah, following this country, region, state, province, city, and reseller. Then apply level changes. Now here you set the data category for the following columns, not within the hierarchy. Yeah, so you must select the column not in the hierarchy. First, country, region. Okay, country, region. This one is a okay, the hierarchy, I close it. Yeah, so collapse. Yeah, so this is country, region, not in the hierarchy. Okay, and then choose the data category into the in the advanced. Yeah, you have to go to advanced. Then the data category is the country or region. Yeah. Okay. After that, the state province. This one in the advanced data category is a state province. State or province. Yeah. And then the city also city. Yeah. So click the city. This is not the region. Yeah. Not hierarchy. Yeah. Then city. Okay. Good. Yeah. So done already at this part. Yeah. Next, configure the sales table. In this task, you will configure the sales table with the updated description, formatting, and summarization. Okay, so again, we collapse this, we expand the sales. Okay, select the cost column. This one, yeah, cost column. And then in the properties pane, in the description, enter based on standard cost. Okay, I copy in the description. Okay, enter description, yeah, based on the standard cost. Okay, after that, select the quantity column. Yeah, quantity. After that, in the properties pane from the inside the formatting section, yeah, in the formatting, yeah, here, yeah. Then set the 1000 separator to yes, yeah. Okay, with the format. Okay, general formatting, yeah, okay. So format decimal places. Okay, decimal places is a 2, yeah. 2 decimal places, yeah. Okay, and then 1000 separator, yes. 1000 separator, yes. Okay, and then, oh, sorry, just no, this one is no. And then the one that with 2 decimal column is unit price, yeah, unit price. Okay, unit price, decimal place is 2. Okay, then after that, advanced group. In the advanced group, you may need to scroll down, yeah, and then in the summarize by, select the average. Yeah, okay. Summarize by average, not sum by, but you change to the average. Okay, yeah, this one. Okay, so a bit tedious, yeah, tedious, yeah. So you have to do carefully. Just make sure that all the instructions correctly follow. Yeah. Okay, so done already. Then you may want to save again. Yeah. Then after that, we do the bug update. Yeah, bug update properties. Okay. In this task, you update the multiple column using the single bug updates. You use this approach to hide the column and format the column value. Okay. In the data pane or model diagram, select the product key column. Okay. So here, product key. This one. Yeah. Okay. While pressing the Control key, select the following 13 columns spanning multiple tables. Okay. So you need to expand all. Yeah. Otherwise, then difficult later. Expand all. Yeah. Okay. So hold the Control. Yeah. Region, sales territory key. Okay. Region. Yeah. Yeah, sales territory key. This one. So 2, yeah. So selected 2. Then reseller key. Okay. Then after that, sales employee key. Okay. Slowly, yeah. No need to rush, yeah. Sales product key. And then sales reseller key. Sales reseller key. Okay. Then after that, sales order number. Okay. Sales territory key. Okay. After that, salesperson employee ID. And then salesperson employee key. Salesperson UPN. And then salesperson region employee key. Salesperson region sales territory key. And then targets employee ID. Okay, there are 13. Yeah, you scroll up, then account. Okay, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, all, yeah. In the properties, set is hidden. Yeah, okay. So is hidden. Yeah, okay. So true. Yeah, yes, yeah, is hidden. Yes. So because this is the key that normally we don't use in a report. Yeah, we just hide that to make it to hide. Yeah. So we see less column that useful for the report only. Okay. Multi-select the following 3 column: product, standard cost, sales. And then in the formatting, decimal place 0. Okay, we click anywhere here to unselect the 13 column. Yeah. Okay, so or you can press the escape as well. Yeah. Okay. So product standard cost. Yeah. Okay. So go to the product standard cost. Okay. So click after that. Yeah. Okay. Sales cost. Okay, hold the control button. Then you see 2 column already selected, and then sales. Okay, so 3 column selected. Yeah. Then after that, here in the formatting, we choose the decimal place to 0. Okay, because this amount no need cent. Yeah, just up to the dollar. Yeah, unit dollar. Okay, explore the model interface. Yeah, okay. In this task, you will switch to report view, and then review the data model interface and configure the auto date time setting. Yeah, so report the view. This one. This is report view. After that, in the data pane, notice the following. Yeah, column hierarchy and the level field. Yeah, okay, here, which can be used to configure the report visual. Only fields relevant to the report authoring are visible. The rest, just now, the 13 columns are hidden. Yeah, no longer shown. Okay, yeah. Then the salesperson region table is not visible. Okay, because all of the fields are hidden. Yeah, spatial field in the region and reseller table are adorned with the spatial icon. Yeah, spatial is the globe. Yeah, the globe is showing the location like this, like country. Yeah? It has a globe like this, meaning that it can be displayed in a map. Yeah, in a word map. Okay. And then fields adorned with the sigma is summarized by default. Yeah, a tooltip appears when hovering the cursor over the sales cost. Okay, sales cost. This one. Yeah. Okay. Then yeah, based on the standard cost. Yeah, which we put just now in the description. Okay. Expand the sales order data. Sales order date. Yeah. Sales order date. Okay. So let me sales order date. Okay. Here. Yeah. So we have the hierarchy. Yeah. Okay, date hierarchy, year, quarter, month, and day. Yeah. Also the we have the target month. Okay, so you also have the hierarchy. Yeah. To turn off the auto date time setting, navigate the file option and setting options. Okay, file. After that, go to the option and setting below here. After that, go to the option and on the current file section. Yeah, later. Wait. Okay, look at the current file, and then after that, inside the data load time intelligence. Yeah, data load. After that, time intelligence auto date time. You're going to uncheck this. Yeah. Okay, in the data pane, notice that the data hierarchy, the date hierarchy are no longer available. Sometimes we want to keep the date hierarchy. That's okay. Yeah, but if you don't need, then you can disable using this method. Yeah. Okay, so I stop here because the next is to create a quick measure. Yeah, I stop the part 2.